subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new entry-level smartphone under Note series in Philippines called Realme Note 50 with mini capsule feature. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Note 50 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.3% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Note 50 sports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.7 by 8mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Note 50 has been priced in Philippines at 3,600 Philippine pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black and sky blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Note 50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.